Hey guys, Eric here, and it's late. But I need to get this video done before the morning because I'm going to want coffee in the morning, and that's what this video is about. Okay, so we're out here in California, and as you guys know, if you're a follower of my channel, in Arizona, I got a Breville barista machine, espresso machine, that I'm actually really loving, and I finally learned how to reliably pull good shots from it, and I'm thoroughly enjoying the coffee that I'm getting out of that machine. But when we're here in California, all I had before is the Nespresso machine, and I was really starting to miss the espresso from the Breville machine. I thought this might be an opportunity to, at first I was going to get just another Breville machine because I like it so much, but I thought, you know what, there's an opportunity here, why don't I get something different, and then I can compare the two and see which is better. So I looked around for different machines and stuff like that, one that I might want to review, and I finally settled on this, which I saw online. Not 100% sure even what this is or where it comes from, but we'll see how it goes. This is a Cyetus, I think that's how you pronounce that, Cyetus, and the thing that makes me nervous is right here, it says made for tasty hobby. It is a coffee maker in here, so that's good. The made for tasty hobby thing kind of makes me a little bit nervous though. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna see what's in the box, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna pull some shots from it and see what kind of espresso it makes. So let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, let's cut into this box and see what we got. I have no idea if this is going to be comparable to the Breville. There's not much online about it, and I purposely didn't look for a lot online about it because I want to have my own opinions and whatnot, and I didn't want to be influenced by anything else. But we'll see. Alright, so inside, bam, Cyetus, made for tasty hobby. Coffee is a tasty hobby. Alright. Pull this out. Oh, yeah, okay. It looks very similar to the Breville machine. It is bean to cup, which is what I wanted. Looks like it's blue and black. I'm really interested to see what kind of build quality we have here and how it compares to the Breville machine. The Breville machine's build quality is pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So let's get into this. Alright. Interesting. Okay, so we got instructions. What looks like magnets, refrigerator magnets. Interesting. Those are interesting. Is this a shirt? I'm not sure what this is. We'll look at that in a bit. Portafilter. Feels okay. Definitely doesn't have the same weight to it that the Breville does, but you know, that may or may not matter. Can I pull out the basket? Okay, interesting. Alright, portafilter, some more baskets, one more basket, looks like a single shot basket. Here's the tamper. Wow, this is a heavy tamper. Let's see how it fits. There's a little bit of play on the sides, but not much. And this is a super heavy tamper, much heavier than the tamper that came with the Breville. Got a cleaning cloth. That's a nice touch. Little microfiber Cyetus towel. What's this? My goodness. Okay. Oh! Are these espresso cups? Wow! Nice little espresso cups. 2 of them. That's cool. Yeah, can't complain about that. Nice little espresso cups. Very cool. And let's pull out the actual machine. Alright. Here is the machine itself. So there's the machine itself. Let's get it all unwrapped. Actually, before we do that, it also had more stuff. Something fell also. There's so much in this box. Okay, let's see what else. Little white box here. What do we got? Oh, this is the bean hopper. Bean hopper with a rubberized top. Smells like curing plastic. Probably want to air that out a little bit. Okay. And I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. Also another box. I'm guessing this is the milk. Yeah. Okay. Milk steaming. Little picture there. It's got some measurements on the inside. I don't know if you could see that. That's a nice little touch too. It's got like a gunmetal thing going on, which is nice. It says Cyetus on it. You have this little thing here. There are some cats going crazy outside. Alright, anyway, there's so much. Now, let's open up the big guy. See what it looks like. Alright. So it's about the same size as the Breville machine. Let me tilt this down. About the same size as the Breville machine. We got our milk steaming wand here. It's got some articulation to it. And then we have our steaming and water dial on the side. We have our pressure gauge. And there are buttons here that light up and appear when it's plugged in. Let's put the bean hopper on. See how it looks in all of its glory. Do we have a grinder adjustment? Okay, so yeah, you twist the hopper to get a finer grind or a more coarse grind. That's an interesting way to control it. On the Breville, there's a dial on the side over here, but I guess you do it with the hopper with this machine. It's fine, as long as it works. Alright, let's unwrap the rest of this down here. Some tape. One thing I will be interested in as well is the milk steamer. I do like to make milk drinks. Okay. Alright, so we got a simple little drawer down here. The Breville also has storage behind the drawer. It looks like this. Oh, does it have storage back here? What's this? Oh, we have a cleaning brush here, and it looks like a place to put yeah, some cleaning stuff, and it looks like a place to put the extra filter basket. Where's the filter basket? Here. So it does have some storage behind the drawer. Not as much as the Breville, but that's still fine. Okay, so yeah, that's for the filter basket there. You can slide that underneath, and you can put the drawer back in. Alright, let's unwrap the little drain plate. How does this go? No, like, there we go. Alright, drain plate, and this can sit right there. Okay, that's good. And it doesn't look like there's a place to actually put the tamper. The Breville has a little thing where you can put the tamper right up on the side. This doesn't look like it has that, but that's fine. No big deal. Portafilter. Is there something blocking it? Huh. Okay. That's a real snug fit. And the machine doesn't weigh that much, especially when it doesn't have any water in it. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about that in a little bit, actually, the build quality and whatnot, but I'm just trying to get everything opened up so we can look at it in all of its glory here. So we have our water reservoir. Wow, big. This is a huge water reservoir. Much bigger than the Breville water reservoir. Something came off the bottom. Oh, not important. Okay, yeah, so this is the water reservoir. So that's actually one of my minor complaints about the Breville, is that the water reservoir is a little bit small. So I do have to refill it kind of often. But anyway, I'll talk about that in a second. Let's get everything open. This is a rubberized thing. I think this goes on the top, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Is this a place to rest? This must be a place to rest the portafilter or something. Alright, we'll figure that out. Let's open this up. Sorry, this video is kind of random, but late, I'm tired. Oh, is this an apron? This is an apron. A Cyetus apron. With a whale tail on it. And it says Cyetus. Well, they definitely get points for extras in the box. That's cool. Okay. So let's look at the machine and talk about build quality. It's plasticky. The Breville is stainless, or it's like brushed aluminum. But the Breville feels a little bit more professional than this does. And this is just purely aesthetic. This, I mean, it looks nice, but this is all plastic. Plastic, except for the metal here and under here. I mean, it has a nice look to it, and you know, it's not a commercial quality device. Definitely consumer grade, which is fine. But yeah, I mean, as long as it makes good coffee, that's all I really care about. The portafilter is on there a little tight. I hope it doesn't drag the machine around when I try to put it on there and pull a shot from it. But yeah, it looks like at least you'll probably have to hold the machine with one hand and then tighten it up. We'll find out tomorrow how well this steams milk and what kind of shots we can get out of this. I can't wait. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in and see what it looks like when it's powered on and we can actually see the buttons. So there's a little place on the top here right, with the picture of the tamper. So I guess you're just supposed to put the tamper up there. That works. I mean, it doesn't hold it down below, but that's fine. You just put it on top. And you can put your little espresso cups up there too, so that works. Alright, it's plugged in. As you can see, the little power button is highlighted. We've got some beans in there. We're not going to grind just yet. We'll wait for tomorrow morning for that. But let's just power it on. And you see everything light up. Looks like we've got a single bean for if we want a single shot, or 2 beans if we want a double shot. I think this is flashing while it heats up. It's not making a ton of noise or anything. Actually, it's not making any noise. The Breville makes a pretty loud sound when you first turn it on, when it heats up. Yeah, this isn't making any noise, but anyway, we'll wait for tomorrow morning and see if it works, and we'll try to pull some shots from it and see what kind of espresso we can get out of it. So far, I'm happy with the aesthetic. I mean, I didn't need a professional machine. I just want to be able to have decent espresso in the morning. We'll see how reliable this is, and we'll just see how it compares to the Breville Barista. Anyway, I look forward to it. Looks like it's heated up. As you can see, the rest of the lights lit up. And yeah, I'm gonna read the instruction manual and find out exactly what all the buttons do and all that stuff. Anyway, I'll give you guys a full rundown of it tomorrow morning after I've used it. But that was the unboxing, and I look forward to the coffee that comes out of this machine tomorrow morning. See you guys then. Alright guys, it's the morning. Still really tired, but we're gonna try to pull some shots. We're gonna power on this sucker here, and we'll see what kind of coffee we can get out of it. First thing that we gotta check is the grind quality. So let's pull out, man, that's tight. Okay. Let's remove these espresso cups. Let's see what kind of a grind we have. Okay, let's take a look. Looks like I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like a decently fine grind. I have it set to number 5 for fine. Let's tamp this. Gotta say, I think I like that tamper a bit better than the Breville one, just because it's heavier and it seems to fit a little better. Of course, you can always just get a new tamper, but this is just going by the ones that came with the unit. Hold on, I need 2 hands for this. This is so tight. Alright, here we go. Let's try to pull some shots. And we'll see what we get. Alright, we got pressure building. It's in the red, which is great. Doesn't exactly look like equal shots down there, but that's okay. Okay, so what was that, about 20-25 second shot? So we might have to make some adjustments, but we got some nice crema. That smells like a good shot. Alright, now let's test milk steaming. Okay, so some final thoughts about the Cyetus espresso machine. Now again, this is after one day of having it and one morning of pulling shots. I can say the grinding seems like it's pretty good. Only time will tell about the consistency as far as the grind quality. But initial thoughts are it's great. The tamper is really nice, but you know, tampers are tampers. You can get tampers, you know, online. The shots I pulled the first time were actually pretty good. I've got my milk drink here. The milk steamer, the Breville unit, when I turn the milk steamer on, it immediately starts steaming, but as I've read, Breville's kind of known for having really good milk steamers, so I think this one's going to take some getting used to. As far as build quality goes, it doesn't feel as solid, and it definitely doesn't weigh quite as much as the Breville unit does. The portafilter is a little tight, so I do have to use two hands to lock it into place, or it does move the unit around. It's not a huge deal, it's just a difference. There's definitely a lot more plastic on this unit than there is with the Breville unit. But I think this is capable of good coffee, and only time will tell about the consistency of pulling shots from it as far as temperature and pressure and whatnot. So I'll probably make an update video on it, but oh, price. I didn't talk about price. So the Breville unit, brand new, I believe is $7.99, or sometimes you can get it on sale for $6.99 or $7.50. You can buy it used, I've seen, for $400 or $450, but those are going to vary in quality because they're used. This unit I got for $450 brand new, and it came with all of the extra stuff, and it took about 5 days to get to me. So if this is capable of the same quality of coffee as the Breville unit, and it's about half the price, that's hard to compete with. But again, only time will tell about consistency and reliability. Again, I've had it for 1 day. Anyway, that's my unboxing. That's my real quick review of the Cyetus unit. As time goes on, I will continue to compare the two, the Breville Barista as well as this Cyetus, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we continue to get good coffee.